Hi guys, so this is a video for Tenet protocol. Alright, so um it's very short. The first thing you have to do is to come to the faucet, okay, to request some tokens from the faucet. Okay. So put in your wallet address here and you click on claim. Give that some time. Congratulations, you got some assets. Let's go play. Check on my wallet. They're already connected to the Tenet testnet. You can see I've received the token. So the next thing we have to do is to go to the next link I sent, which is this. Before we go to the bridging, we're going to come to the faucet. Go to connect my wallet. MetaMask is what I'm using. We're going to request some other tokens. See if I can get AVAX from here. AVAX. I'll be requesting a lot, so let me just post. Alright guys, so I've requested for every token I can get. Some of them will not go through. You see it won't go through, but just request for the ones that go through. So next we're going to go to the bridge, and then we're going to start our bridging. This is powered by Layerzero, so by doing this, we're also interacting on Layerzero. I'm going to start from Arbitrum. I have 1,000, so I'm going to bridge 100. Remember, remember, I always tell you guys a minimum of 10 transactions. Okay, a minimum. So if you're counting along with me, you know that this is 3. I'm going to be sending a link to the group for those that lead the linear mainnet airdrop strategy. Through this link, you can check if you're eligible or not. Other ones, I'll be sending them to the group. And also scroll. Right? Let's see if there's a place. Alright, I think I kind of lost count there, but I think I did one. I did two. I did three. Oh, just to be sure, let me just. Oh, I don't know why this one is a bit slow, kind of. It's not coming up for a confirmation. Alright, guys, that was running a bit slow, so let's just go to the next one, which is Ethereum. So, start from ones I have. Like I said, you won't be able to claim everything, so just claim the ones you can. Okay, this is still pending. Why this is pending? Go to the next one. So let me just pause this video. Just try and do 10 transactions. Alright, guys, 10. Alright, guys, the bridging is actually slow and. Oh, so just bridge anyone that goes through. Like I said, minimum of 5 transactions or at least 10. So that's basically everything. Just bridge from many of these chains that goes through. For now, the site is just lagging. I've been here for a while now. Just bridge anyone that goes through, and that's it. If there's any new thing on it, I'll let you guys know.